Hello guys, this is perhaps the best news we have heard from the troubled state of Manipur in a very long time. Manipur's new Chief Minister Yumnam Kemchand Singh has made a bold declaration. His government will take full responsibility for the safety of the Kuki people coming to Imphal for hospitalization. Just listen to what he has to say.
Okay, Secretary of Home Lady, Cookies or community. Lying Balakpa in Pandalakpa, Hudimak, Sakana, Daita Logani, Makoy Lakota, Karigumba, to Olo, and the Sarkasna, Daita Logan, in Hyderi, Lena, in a Lucian Mada.
While this is a real positive step, the hard questions remain. Can the government truly guarantee their safety in Imphal? After everything that has happened, do the Kuki folks even feel comfortable coming back? More importantly, are the people of Delhi, the Meiteis, truly ready to welcome them and move toward reconciliation? Peace isn't just about government's order. It is about the people on the ground. And I sincerely hope this initiative succeeds, and I wish the Khemchand's government the best of luck in resolving this crisis as soon as possible. But I want to hear from you. Are we truly ready to resettle and live together again? Will this new administration be able to send internally displaced person IDPs back to their original homes? Or is the divide still too deep? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. Let's keep the conversation respectful but honest. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.